Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I'm going to show you a customized, high-end 5 minutes quick mode change EPS shaping molding machine that was designed with several requests at the very beginning after communicate with our customer. First, to increase the productivity of the machine with our production cycle speed less than 16 seconds per cycle. Second, increase automation and reduce labor intensity with automatic stacking and packaging system. Third, energy saving. The stacking speed is relatively slow and there is an optimized request between the stacking speed and the production speed after normal production at the customer site. Also, the steam, compressor air, and the cooling water system on site does not meet the request for testing this machine, but this is what it is. We have tried our best, but the test condition was not able to achieve the normal production condition. No worry, we will make a new video of the machine running in our customer's factory. This is what we have now. We have 3 main goals for this testing. To ensure that there is no problem with the program. To ensure that everything is operating correctly for label job before export. To create more training video for future after-sales service purpose.